Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivation speaker. Today I am going to talk about upcoming LLB examinations for 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. Today we have received the notification from Karnataka State Law University Hubli saying that the examinations will be going to conduct on 15th December 2021. Today we have authenticate notification we have received from the Karnataka State Law University. As per the Honorable High Court of Karnataka orders, they are going to conduct the LLB examinations for freshers and repeaters, what we call even semesters and as well as even repeaters also. They are planning to conduct the examinations on 15th December 2021. So far, timetable not yet given from Karnataka State Law University. We hope tomorrow or day after will receive authentication of timetable. What you call tentative timetable will be received tomorrow or day after. Um, why I am making this video? Everyone are very much confusing about their LLB examinations, especially. So whether KSL will be going to conduct examination or not, they had that was the confusion had all of our KSLF students. But now Karnataka State Law University itself, they have given authenticate notification to all KSLF students today, which we have received just now. So I am requesting you all KSLU students, please be concentrate on your studies to write your upcoming LLB examinations. We'll have 15 days of time. Please concentrate in this period, especially 15 days period is a very precious of time. We don't know what will happen again, but our intention is to study to pass or score good marks in the LLB examinations. Your efforts definitely never fail. One or other day that will be going to get very useful for yourself. For yourself you have to study, and for examination purpose you have to study so that you can gain very good knowledge, especially legal aspects of all particular subjects of your academics project. So anyhow, we have received the notification, examination notification. So my advice here is to all, please be concentrate on your studies and please be prepare one timetable for yourself to complete your subjects and as well your syllabus to complete in the stipulated period, what you call. So 15th December 2021 they are going to conduct the examinations for even semester and as well as repeaters. Also they are planning to conduct and timetable will receive very soon. So meanwhile, please be prepared for your LLB exams, and I have given most important questions in my YouTube channel. Please be refer those questions now in the crucial period and critical period and what you call disaster period, that will be very useful for your LLP examinations. And I have been made many videos for academics and LLB examinations. Please be go through many videos that will be going to help how to score your good marks in the LLB and as well as how to pass your LLB subjects and what are the most important questions which will be available for all subjects of 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. Both important questions are available. Please be go through my channel so that we'll get very good information about your academics and as well as the LLB examinations. I wish you all the best, all our KSLA students. Please do well, never give up. Whatever is happened for our goodness only. Please be concentrate. Please don't divert your mind to what you call other activities, like this is the precious time. You have to concentrate on your studies and please be prepare well, and all the best. Once again I would like to all the best for all our KSLA students. Upcoming LLB examinations only 15 days of time. So in this 15 days of time, please be concentrate on your studies. I hope this video has given the clarification of examination timetable given by Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Thank you.